Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to change your blog post title and description in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside the website builder in Hostinger, and to change your blog post title and description, click on blog. As you can see, these are all of my blog posts. Let's click on one of them. And to change this blog post title and description, just go to post settings. Then you can edit your post title and post description from here. Then click on save, and don't, as you can see now, my title and post description are changed. And don't forget to update your website to reflect your changes online. And this is how to change your blog post title and description in Hostinger Website Builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger Website Builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.